Today I'm going to share with you a video lecture about plotting um, some points using Python pandas. So there are a lot of different types of plots available for our visualization purpose. They are like bar graph, pie chart, line chart, histogram, scatter plot. In this video lecture, I am going to share with you how to import Matplotlib library, how to plot a dependent variable and an independent variable, how to show that plot, how to define the level for x-axis and y-axis, how to create multiple plotting using Matplotlib and Pyplot, and last but not least, I'm going to share with you how to define the legend when you going to plot multiple lines in one graph. So stay tuned with me. So I'm going to show you how to create various types of graph, charts, histogram, scatter plot using pandas. Uh, so as you can see that this is my workspace. This is nothing but a Google Colab workspace. This is easily available if you have any Gmail account. This Google Colab is associated with that Gmail account. So if you are going to log into your Gmail account, you can get access of this Google Colab. So this is nothing but a Jupyter notebook, and I am write down the command to create a chart using uh, Panda, or you can say that using Python. So for that I need to import pandas. For that I need to write down import pandas as PD. So the next library that I'm going to import for my program is Matplotlib. What is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualization in Python. The command for plotting a graph chart uh, is Matplotlib. This is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualization in Python. So I'm going to write down the comment here. Uh, so, so the comment is from sorry, Matplot. So you can see that if I typed few letters of Matplotlib, I'm getting a suggestion of the comment. I'm just click on it and get the comment. So Matplotlib import Pyplot as PLT. So now I am going to create some data point to uh, create a plot. So for that I am creating two array, that is x and y array. So those arrays are nothing but our x-axis and y-axis. So x equal to, let's like 1, 2 and 3, and y will be uh, 1, 3 and 9. So now I am write down the command to plot the points for x and y. So the command will be plt plot and then x comma y within parentheses, and then we write down plot dot show to see the plot in our workspace. I forgot to hit the run button here, so first I need to hit the run button for Matplotlib, then I hit the run button for x and y, and I get that plot. So you can see the for the x-axis the point begin with 1 and ending with 3, because the minimum number for this array is 1 and the maximum is 3. And same thing is true for the y. The point begin with 1 and ending with 9, and you can see that the first point for x is 1, so here I got 1. The second point is 2, so I got 2 here, and the third point is 3, so I got 3 here. And for y, the first point is 1, so I got 1 here. The second point is 3, so I got 3 here. This is the 3 for that y-axis, and the last one is 9, so I got 9 here. If I change the numbers for x and y, the plot will be different one. I can do that for your better understanding, like I can do that like 3, probably 7, let's 15, and here I write down 2, 6, and it's like 9. Now if I hit the run button, so our next objective is to give a title for that plot, and also labeling the x-axis and the y-axis. So for that we need to write down two commands. One is title and another is x label and y label. So we need to write it down before the plot.show command and after plt.plot command. So I'm going to write down plt.title. So this is my first graph, so I can write here first demo. Next I am going to give x level, specify the x level and y level. So for that I am going to write down plt.xlevel. You can see that x level is a comment, so whenever I type a comment, few words of a comment, I get the full comment. So this is a feature of Google Colab. This is the flexibility of Google Colab. You can use Google Colab and get those features from Colab. So I'm write down plt.xlevel, and within bracket I am writing down x axis, and next I am writing down plt.y level, and within bracket it will be y axis. Now I'm going to hit the run button. You can see this is the name of our plot, that is first demo, and this is the name of the x-axis and the name of the y-axis. Now I am going to show you how to plot multiple lines. So here only one dependent variable, that is y. Now I am going to create another array of name z. So z equal to, maybe the points are, let's like 1, then maybe it's 3, and then it's like 5. So I'm going to plot that dependent variable respect to the independent variable x. So I'm writing down here plot plt plot again, uh, x comma z, and so and I need to change another thing here, that is the y level. So now this is not only the x uh, axis, so I'm going to write here x z axis. um, Now if I hit the run button, I'm going to get two plot here, one for y, as we can see that this is for the y line, y points, and this is for the z points. So what if I am going to add some other lines here like w, and that will be like 5, 8, and 2. So I'm again plotting w with respect to x. So I need to write down plt dot plot um, x comma w, and I'm going to change the name here again with w. So I'm again going to hit the run button, and you can see that there is another line for w. So now can you find out what is the problem with that graph? So did you find out? I am telling you what's the problem. You can see there are a lot of lines, but we don't know which line is for which one. As a programmer, we write down the code, so we know that the blue one is y array, and the orange one is for z, and the green one is w. But if you deliver only this graph to your audience, how could your audience know which line is for which um, array, which numbers? That's not possible. So we need to add some legend on top of those lines. So we are going to add plot dot legend. That is a comment, the legend, and I'm writing down here uh, so I'm going to pass a list within that comment so that we can clearly define which line is for which one. So I'm writing here y, then z, and then w. Now if we are going to hit the run button, you can see that it shows that the blue line is for y, the orange line is for z, and the green line is w. So our problem was solved.